Shalom, shalom. David Sparkowich here with myhebrewmentor.com. Most people who end up here have a desire to learn to read the Bible in its original language, Hebrew. And many of them feel inwardly drawn to the Jewish roots of their faith. This describes you, my friend. You're not alone. We're part of the same family. I started my Hebrew learning journey way back in 1992. I was eager, I was excited to get started, but quite honestly, I had no idea what I was up against, how difficult it would be. I personally saw my class diminished from 27 students at enrollment to just 2 students left standing at the end of the second year. Well, it's true that I had a deep love for the Hebrew language and a drawing to these things. It's one of the most painful and frustrating experiences of my life. That being said, my experiences put me on a path, further education, research, teaching, and creative resource development. That's taken me through Jewish synagogues, yeshivas, training centers, Bible colleges, as well as a number of online Hebrew language training schools. You see, in my heart, I knew that there had to be a better way, an easier way, a faster way of being able to learn biblical Hebrew. I'm pleased, my friend, to offer you today what I'm calling the Freemium Biblical Hebrew Language Bundle. If you're anything like me, when I'm interested in a digital product or a resource, I'm one of the last people in the world to just whip out a credit card and pay for it. I'd much rather have somebody offer me a quality sampler pack, including specific examples of what I would receive if I made the decision to actually purchase the digital product. How can somebody acquire my freemium package? It's really very simple. You simply need to register down below by including your name and your email address and hit the submit button. In the freemium package, you'll receive 2 signature Aleph Bet lessons that are part of a greater 16-episode series called the Aleph Bet Newbie Schnoobie program. You'll also receive 2 video lessons from my signature product, which I affectionately call David's Secret Sauce. It contains the secrets to the great success I've had in helping people learn biblical Hebrew in record time. In addition to this, I'm pleased to share a sampling teaching from my Pasuk analysis series, where I take the time to individually apply the 16 essential drills to specific verses from the Hebrew Bible. Lessons begin at Genesis chapter 12 with the life of Abraham. Finally, as a bonus, and for those that love Jewish music, Hebrew liturgy, I'll share with you an educational sampler where I will demonstrate how to chant the Ma Tovu, a famous song from the Siddur, the Jewish prayer book. And if you're like me, you'll feel your soul transported into the heavenlies while listening to this beautiful ancient piece. So if you really desire to read the Bible in its original language, the language that Jesus and the apostles spoke, the language of the synagogue, the language of prayer, and you'd like free access to peer into some of my creative, cutting-edge, and dynamic out-of-the-box linguistic strategies. So if you're interested in my freemium package today, so you can begin benefiting from the wealth of material that I've been gleaning and gathering over the years, without having to make any financial commitments, you can make your voice heard today by simply registering for the freemium package down below with your name and your email address. You can expect to receive an email from me with the keys to test drive this amazing program. Thank you for watching today. Shalom, shalom, lahittraot.